The Events V2 feature is a robust option for event promotion. It's an upgrade to the original Events feature and includes user engagement integration, social media integration, plus importing options and advanced recurring event customization. When you're first getting started, make sure to add the title, decide whether you want the events to auto deactivate after 2 weeks from the start date, and make sure to include the numbers of weeks in advance to populate recurring events if that's what you're going to end up using. First, we'll review how to import events. There's a couple different options here. You can initially import from a Google Calendar. To do this, log into your Google account to import events directly from GCal. Your Google Calendar will automatically sync once imported. Do keep in mind that your calendar must be public and it also must be the primary calendar. For Eventbrite, log into your Eventbrite account to import events directly from Eventbrite. Only events created by this account will successfully import. New events added to Eventbrite will also need to be re-imported. Definitely remember that. If you're looking to add events manually, you have two options. Either add a single event, or if you have recurring events, you can absolutely include recurring event option. This is if you have a weekly happy hour from on Tuesdays from 5 to 7, definitely include or decide to use the recurring event option. First, if we're going to add a single event, go ahead and click on this. You can add a couple images in here as a header. Next, you'll want to either select a custom time zone if it's different than the general time zone that you have selected in the settings. If not, just toggle that off. Include an event start time and an event end date. Absolutely include an event name here, description about the event, if you want people to be able to publicly post images to this specific event. If you want users to post that they're attending, turn that on. And if you want to be able to select addresses from the contact feature that you have previously built out, go ahead and select this. There are many use cases for the events feature. For example, in this case, a real estate agent is in fact displaying some of their open houses. They're also displaying escrow paperwork is due on a certain date. Schools can use the events feature for displaying when their parent-teacher conferences are. Maybe crazy hair day for the kids. Nonprofits can absolutely use the events feature also to display meetings. Organizations can do the same, or volunteer opportunities. Community or apps built for cities can display local events, maybe concerts that are upcoming, farmers market, etc. If you're looking to include the recurring events, let's jump right in here. First, you'll want to include the start and end date and the duration time. Whether you want it to be repeated weekly, monthly, select the weekday. For example, if you have a parent-teacher meeting every Wednesday, make sure to include Wednesday. Again, the same options are available here, whether you want to include photo sharing, the ability for users to say whether attending or not, select the imported location that's already included in the app through the contact feature, and of course include the address. Once you've done this, you'll notice that you'll also see past events if you scroll down. Let's take a look what it looks like. You can also see the calendar view. So not only the list view, but the calendar view with a highlight on events on a specific day.